Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to our math class. I am your math teacher Komal. Class 7th, Unit 12, Geometrical Construction on page number 297. Today we have a first exercise 12A on page number 305. First of all, we have a basic level. Question number 1. Draw a line segment AB of length 9.5 centimeter. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, now here we have a solution. Let's first draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter. Okay, we follow this step. First of all, draw a line L, mark point A on it like this. This is our line, and here we mark a one point A, and this line is L. Now point 2 is, since length is 9.5 centimeter, we measure 9.5 centimeter using a ruler and compass. Okay, this is the ruler, and this is our compass, and this is our pencil. We have a third point. Now keeping compass opened the same length. Okay, we keep pointed end at point A and draw an arc on line L. This one. Okay, this is our point B, and here we draw a one arc. Okay, so the required line segment is AB is equal to 9.5 centimeter. Now we need to mark it perpendicular bisector. Let's follow this step to make a perpendicular bisector of AB. We have a first point. Given a line segment AB, here we have a line. Okay, this point is A and this point is B. Now we have a second point. Now with A as center, okay, this one, this arc, okay, and radius more than half AB. Okay, draw an arc on top at bottom of AB, this one. Now draw a one arc here and draw a one arc here. Okay, we have a third point, sorry. Now with B as center, the same radius. Okay, again we draw a one arc over here. Draw an arc on top and bottom of AB, same, top and bottom, same. We have a fourth point. Where the two arcs intersect, okay, above AB is point C, and where the two arcs intersect below AB is point D, join CD. Okay, this one. Here we draw one point. Here again, if we combine this one, then this is the perpendicular. Okay, such that CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So this line is perpendicular on AB. Okay, now we have a question number 2 in same page, same exercise. Draw an angle BAC of 56. This one is called a degree. Okay, construct the angle bisector of BAC. Here this is the cap, and this means reference to B and C. Okay, A is the reference. हमारे पास A reference है, B का भी and C का भी. Okay, we have a solution over here. We have a first part. Draw a line AC. Okay, measure an angle 56 degree using a protractor on point A. We have a third point. Now draw an angle BAC. Fourth point. Using a rounder, mark on from line AB to AC. Fifth part. Now using a same distance, draw arc from both sides. Here we have a sixth point. Where the arc connects, draw line from A to intersection of arc. Okay, now this is our diagram. Now see the practical work of this question.
Now see here, I have drawn two angles, angle PQR which is an acute angle an angle ABC, which is an obtuse angle. Now, let me tell you how to construct the angle bisector. For this, take your compass, keep the point of your compass on the vertex of the angle that you want to divide, then draw an arc such that it cuts both the arm at two different points. You can name these points M and N. You can change this measurement now. Now keeping the point on M, so keeping M as the center, you draw an arc. Now keeping the same radius, keep the point on N. Okay, so taking N as a radius, you will again cut the previous arc. So you have got this. Give any name to this point, say S. Okay, and then you join this point S and Q. Okay, you can extend this. So this ray QS is the required bisector. Okay, so you can say now angle PQS is equal to angle SQR. So this ray has divided this angle into two equal halves. Okay, now let us see this angle ABC. We follow the same method. Keeping D as radius, cut both the sides, give it any name, say DE. Now keeping D as the center, extend this, draw an arc. Now keeping E as a center, cut the arc. Give it any name, say F, and then join BF. So this is the required ray. Now we can say angle ABF is equal to angle FBC. Correct? I hope you have understood how to construct angle bisectors. By following this simple method, you can construct angle bisectors of any angle.
Now we have a question number 3. Construct the triangle. This is the sign of triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 9 centimeter, and BAC is equal to 9 degree. Okay, measure and write down the length of AC. Here we have a solution. First part, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5. Simply, okay, simple. We have a point 2. Open the compass of length 9 centimeter and on B and draw an arc. Okay, now we have a third part and third point. You can say now place the compass at A and draw another arc which cut the previous one at point C, such that make an angle of 90 degree. Part 5th or point 5th, join C to A and B. Okay, point 6 is ABC is the required triangle. Okay, this is our required triangle, and the length of AC is equal to what? 7.5 centimeter, and here we have an angle that is the 90 degree. Okay, now see the one practical work of this question.
Exercise 12A, question 4. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 9 cm. Here we have the angle on the point A, 90 degrees centigrade. Measure and write down the length of AC. First of all, these are confusion about this in students which line is taken as a line segment. So I am giving you the hint or tip. The line segment on which there is angle is given, just as on point A there is angle 90 degrees centigrade is given. So take AB as a baseline. I take a line segment of length AB 5 cm. Now point the angle 90 degrees centigrade on the point A. Here mark the angle 90 degrees centigrade on the point A. Now, what thing is next to find? Place your compass of the length 9 centimeter and mark the arc BC. I just open my compass of the length. This length is of 9 centimeter. Take B as a center and mark an arc. This arc of length 9 centimeter. Just extend this line segment so it intersect the point. This point where the two arcs intersect each other, the arc and the extended line of A, given its name as the C. Join the point C and B with a line segment. This length of 9 centimeter, as we already mentioned that we are taking the length of 9 centimeter. Now, measure the length of AC. AC length is 7.4 centimeter.
Now student, that is your homework. Okay, homework 14. Subject Mathematics, date 13 June 2020, date Tuesday, on page number 305, unit 12, exercise 12A, and question number 3 is your homework. Okay. Note, do your homework on your NEET book and you have to send your homework to girls section in this mail. And student, that is your book page. Have a nice day student. Take care. Allah Hafiz.